LEVIFlow single-use flow sensors are designed for high-precision flow measurement in biopharmaceutical production. Two piezoelectric transducers generate and receive ultrasonic waves. When flow is present, the with-stream wave is accelerated, and the against-stream wave is slowed down. The difference in transit time is proportional to the velocity of the fluid. The measurement is completely non-invasive and robust against high pressures. Additionally, for very high precision down to lowest flows, special calibrated sensor versions are available. The LEVIFlow single-use sensors are compatible with either a single-channel converter, a multi-channel converter for up to 6 sensor connections, or the LEVITRONIX console unit for full turnkey solution. From low to high flow rates, from buffer preparation to filling, LEVIFlow single-use flow sensors will help improve your yield. LEVITRONIX, better sensors for better yield.